friends, welcome back to Happy Young Readers. Today we are going to read a story named Janice Goes to Chinatown by author Anuradha Sengupta and illustrator Kalyani Ganapathy. The book is published by Pratham Books, Level 2. So let's begin. Janice, wake up, Grandma calls. Janice jumps out of bed. Today is her last day at Grandma Lee's house. So you can see in the picture, Janice is stretching out of bed with a big smile on her face and her toy bunny next to her and an open book which she was probably reading at night before she slept. Janice had promised her family in Mumbai that she would bring back gifts, but she has not bought anything yet. Grandma Lee, can you please take me shopping? Janice asked. Grandma Lee lives in Tireti Bazaar in Kolkata. It is also known as Chinatown. Janice and Grandma Lee set off to explore Chinatown. Rickshaws zigzag. Their wooden wheels go clickety-clack. Their bells go jingle-jangle. The air smells good enough to eat. The first stop is Mr. Lee's. Mr. Lee, I'm going home to Mumbai tomorrow. What can I take back? How about these purple plum candies? Sweet and tangy, says Janice. My brother will love them. The next stop is Mrs. Chin's shop. Mrs. Chin, I'm going home to Mumbai tomorrow. What can I take back? How about this black fungus? Put them in some soup and it will cure sniffles. Oh, that looks like a huge black ear, says Janice. My mother will love it. Off to Mrs. Wong's shop. Mrs. Wong, I'm going home to Mumbai tomorrow. What can I take back? How about this beautiful lantern? Says Mrs. Wong. It is the color of gulmohar flowers, says Janice. My father will love it. The shopping is done and Janice is hungry. Grandma Lee buys dumpling soup and bowsy buns. Slurp, this is delicious, Janice says. Janice and Grandma stop at a Chinese temple. It smells like incense. When people pass away, says Grandma Lee, they turn into spirits. We seek their blessings before we go on a journey. At a table in a big hall, people are playing mahjong. The tiles go click-clack. The tiles are dragons and wind and flowers, Grandma says. That is a lot more exciting than hopscotch squares, says Janice. On the way back home, Janice sees a woman reading a newspaper. Is that in Chinese? Janice asks. Yes, Grandma Lee, says. Yes, says Grandma Lee. This is the only Chinese newspaper in India. You can only find it here in Kolkata. At home, Janice starts packing all her gifts. Janice, who had bought gifts for you have bought gifts for everyone else. But what will you take back? Asked Grandma Lee. Our memories, Grandma, Janice says. They were the best gift of all.